Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video, I am going to discuss reasoning strategy for RBI Assistant Prelims examination. And this video is for beginners who have just started their preparation. In this video, I am going to tell you in brief how to prepare all the topics and how to prepare puzzles also so that you can get very good marks in the prelims examination. Okay. So reasoning is divided into two parts, miscellaneous and puzzles. So I will try to give you a thorough explanation for both. Okay, so first of all, there are miscellaneous. So there are miscellaneous topics like direction sense, then syllogism, inequalities. So like these, there are many miscellaneous topics, like 7 to 8 miscellaneous topics in reasoning, and then there are puzzles. Okay, so first of all, there are miscellaneous topics, and for these miscellaneous topics, you need to cover one topic on daily basis. Okay, first try to cover one topic on daily basis, and for miscellaneous, I used Bankers Point channel's videos. On that channel, Anshul Saini sir teaches, and he teaches in a really good way. Like you do not get confused in syllogism and in inequality questions also. Okay, so for miscellaneous, you can use that channel and you can clear all the concepts of your miscellaneous topics. First of all, like today you have done syllogism, then try to practice 20 to 30 questions of syllogism on that day itself. After that, like tomorrow, you are covering direction sense question. Then for direction sense, you need to solve 50 to 60 questions. So in this way, you can complete your topics in around 10 days, all miscellaneous topics, and keep practicing all the miscellaneous questions on daily basis. Okay, and after that, like when you are practicing daily, then your speed will automatically increase. Okay, and it is not a big deal to attempt all the 35 questions in reasoning. And for daily practice, I will suggest you a book. So this is the 4000 question book for banking, and it is for reasoning. Okay, and this book is available in Hindi and in English, both languages. So you can practice the miscellaneous topics and puzzles from this book also. I will show you how you can solve the questions. So first of all, there are all the topics and levels are given, like level 1, level 2, level 3, and then answer key and solutions. Okay, so these things are given in this video. And then topic wise questions are given, like first is arrangement and pattern. Okay, and they have given an ideal time for solving this questions, 22 seconds. So you should solve this question in less than equal to 22 seconds so that you can complete the paper in the given 20 minutes. Okay, and after that, there is this QR. So this QR code is also given so that you can clear your basics, like video lessons are given for this chapter, and this QR is given for all the chapters. Okay, and now I will show you the smart answer key also. This is a smart answer key in which it is shown that how many people have attempted this question and how many have skipped this question. Okay, so this is also given, which is very good. And after that, detailed solution is given. So this is given for each topic, like this is the miscellaneous topic, then there are syllogism questions, then these are sitting arrangements, and then these are puzzles. Okay, so it is given for each topic, and now we will discuss about how to prepare puzzles. And if you want to buy this book, then the link of this book will be given in the description, and this book is available in both Hindi and English language, so you can use this book for your daily practice for reasoning. Now I will come to puzzles. Okay, miscellaneous is clear, you need to clear one topic daily, and then you need to practice 50 to 60 questions on daily basis. And after that, you can like keep solving 1 to 2 topics on daily basis. Then there are puzzles. So puzzles are of like many types of puzzles are there, and sitting arrangements are also there, but all of these are like simple puzzles, nothing else. Okay, we need to use some brain to solve these questions. And for puzzles, first, you like many people say that you need to solve the puzzles topic wise, but like the strategy I used, I just used to solve the puzzles. Like if I have seen any puzzle, be it from any topic, I just used to solve that question. Okay. And for puzzles, in the beginning you will find some difficulties, but after knowing the approach it will be very easy. And prelims level puzzles are very easy. You can solve one puzzle in less than 2 minutes. So prelims level puzzles are very easy. You do not need to fear from pre-level puzzles. And first of all, like, you can go for Ankush Lamba sir's 1000 puzzle series. It is very helpful. Is like it is given on Unacademy. It is really helpful. The like he has taught the puzzles from basic to advanced level, and I also watched those videos and it has really helped me out. So after watching those videos, like, my speed did not increase. So what I did was, I I used to put a timer and then I used to solve the questions. Like for a puzzle, I used to put 2 to 3 minutes timer and I used to solve the puzzle in that time limit. Okay, so this you can use to increase your speed in puzzles. And for basics, you will not need, like, you will need maximum 1 week for improving your basics, and after that you just need to practice on daily basis. Okay. And your speed will gradually improve. You do not need to worry about speed in reasoning. Your speed will increase with time. Okay. So that is all for this video. I hope you find it helpful, and I wish you all the best for the examinations. Thank you.